find it sleeping in its nest before it wakes up. Touch it gently, you want it, feel it completely calm, so you can hold it in your palm and help it grow just like it was born to be. Come, 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 come. Whoa, 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 whoa,
how low that water level is up at Silent Valley Reservoir today. We've had like weeks now of blazingly hot weather, like 25 degrees plus Celsius, which is not normal for us here at all. It's cooled down a little bit today, it's around 20. So I'm up here at Silent Valley Reservoir to retrace my steps from one of the most miserable experiences I've ever had, and that was day 2 of Mourne Mountain Marathon 2019, where we stood here early in the morning in the freezing cold rain. Trying to pull up map points because it was like 35 miles over 2 days, and the second day it just poured rain. You have to plot your map points first and then off you go. But we immediately went up and climbed up SLIEVE Binnian via Wee Binnian, so I'm going to trace my steps today, partly trace that climb up to the top of Binnian and then down, back down to the road at Crom and just run back here down the reservoir. 6 or 7 miles, absolutely amazing up here, but no time to dilly nor dally, so I'm gonna get started. There we go, new one for me, Wee Binnian, which is so called because it looks a bit like Big Binnian. It's really an original naming scheme here. But yeah, haven't been up this one at all. Rocky tar on the top, again like Big Binnian. It's been, I don't know if you've noticed, but it's been a while since I've made a mountain running video. Got a little bit distracted with trying to speed up on the roads and basically completely gave up on the mountains, but I'm back. Learned my lesson. Hate roads, love hills and mountains. Oh, look at this, look, oh, no, it's okay. I was about to get very angry. I had some litters there and realised, no, it's actually just some airlifted granite blocks repairing the Mourne wall. Right, that is a very steep climb. I have to go all the way up here. This is not going to be fun. Oh, mind the bees! The bees! Have you got any honey? Hey, bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. The wonderful thing about Tigers is I'm the only one. Bouncy, oh. Yes! Yum yums! Yum yum! Yum yums! I find these delicious bilberries. Oh, those are sour. In hindsight, probably best not to pick them directly on the path where people and dogs are walking constantly. Ow. Ah. Ooh.
Something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my only escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love.
Top of SLIEVE Binnian. And immediately I've noticed why you probably want to come up here when it's windy. This entire summit is covered in wasps and flying ants. I mean, I'm spraying the repellent directly on some of these insects and they're not even moving. Oh, that one looks like it's freaking out. I think it's working. Yeah, I started way down there, Silent Valley, up here, top of Binnian. I'm now going to run all the way down to the saddle over there between SLIEVE and Binnian, and then back via the Reservoir road. Now, I've done this route several times in previous videos, so if you want to see what that's like, check the links below. But for now, I'm just going to travel by map down to the saddle.
There's a light at the end of the road that I'm
Next stop,
waiting for.
down there.
I don't see it yet, but I know it's there. It's a shore in the middle of the storm. We could rest up on.
That's me down to Crom Reservoir, and I am absolutely dying of thirst.
But I know it's there. Although I'm fumbling in the night, it's getting hard to see the light. Living on the last hope, darling, hold on. Living on the last breath, don't you lose the grip. Living on the last hope, darling, hold on. but we're nowhere near.
What a run. That is going on my list of favourite routes because you get a really nice, well, you get a difficult, horrible difficult climb at the start up to the top of Binnian, and then you get a really nice mountain run down. Well, you didn't see it, go watch the other videos, you'll see it, and it was a really nice run all the way down to the saddle towards SLIEVE BINNIAN. You get amazing views, and then you get to flip around and fly down a nice 5k down road. So love that run, hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe, have a look around the channel. There's other videos about running on here, but also like tech, small cameras and stuff like that as well. So thanks for watching, and if you're out and about, maybe I'll catch you in the trails. Bye bye.